Hello?
Good morning, room service department. This is Jaime speaking now. May I help you?
I would like to order some breakfast.
Would you tell me your room number and name?
My name is Althea from room 607.
Ah, I see. What would you like to order, ma'am?
I would like to order some set A of breakfast, please.
Alright, ma'am. Would you like to order coffee or tea?
No thanks. Do you have any fresh juice?
Yes, we do. We have orange juice, apple juice, and pineapple juice.
I would like to order one fresh orange juice.
Okay, ma'am. I repeat your order. You ordered set A breakfast and one fresh orange juice. Is that right, ma'am?
Around 8 a.m., please.
Okay, ma'am. Your order will be served around 8 a.m. Thank you for using room service facilities. Have a nice day. Room service. Room service. Room service. Room service 1. Here's your order for 607 for Althea.
Yes.
Here's your order, ma'am. Breakfast set A and one orange juice.
Okay.
And here's your bill, ma'am. Here's where you put your signature. Please read your bill first before proceeding to the signing.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. I'll be back in 1 hour. Or you can call the room service, or you can just leave the plates outside your door.
Okay.
Okay? Room service. Room service. Good morning, ma'am. Can I get your plate?
Sure.
How's the food, ma'am?
Good, especially the orange juice.
Okay, thank you. Is there anything you need, ma'am?
No thanks. That's all.
Okay, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Okay, thank you.